focus, determination and practice. This 90-minute game has all the drama and heart-pounding action. Get on board and explore the science behind every stunning kick, pass, shoot and more. The journey to simplify all your lessons begins. So let's kick off with Extramarks. Arsenal fans adore it when their favourite players move the ball with precision and make scoring a goal appear surprisingly simple. Take a note of how the ball bounces, turns and quickly passes from one player to the next. A football bounces because it is made of a special kind of rubber, which is composed of 98% polyisobutylene and 2% isoprene. Polyisobutylene is an organic polymer prepared by joining repeating units of isobutene, and this process of joining repeating units is called polymerization. Polyisobutylene can also be stretched to extremes and still return to its original shape. Moreover, it does not absorb water, making the ball suitable to be played in any weather condition. The rubber is enclosed by a leather covering, which protects the football from deflating or losing its shape. The laces used to sew a football are also made of a man-made rubber or PVC-based plastic that keeps it from stretching. They also help in providing a better grip on the ball so that it can be maneuvered easily. These materials are responsible for a football's smooth maneuverability and precise bounce, both of which are important aspects of the game. You've probably worked out that not only the football, but also the equipment used by the players receives special attention. Do you know what these equipment gears are made of?